If you need to reset two-factor authentication on Tidal, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This process will guide you through disabling and re-enabling two-factor authentication. Step 1. Log into your Tidal account. Start by logging into your Tidal account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication settings. In the account settings, look for the security or privacy section. Here, you should find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be required to enter a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number to confirm this action. Step 5. Re-enable two-factor authentication. After disabling it, you can now re-enable two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to set it up again, which may include selecting your preferred method of receiving verification codes. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your two-factor authentication on Tidal successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Tidal's customer support for further assistance.